welcome back to another episode of the Reason Being podcast. Today, as I can see, we have a legend. Of course, it's a legend. The first man to break 145 in Jamaica, Navasky Anderson, Olympian, Under Armour athlete, Mississippi State. How about my bro?
Pick up yourself, my brother, and teammates. Same way I can't leave all that, you see me?
Fox, my bad.
Yeah, man. So, respect for having me here, bro. Manners and respect, utmost respect for that, is it?
Man, respect his mind, man. It's mean present of a legend, not dog.
Yeah, man. You that man. Respect, man.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So just there, I try all the reason with the man himself. I think my life to do here at the reason being is, get the person to describe himself. We know he has the athlete, but when you look in the mirror, who is Navasky Anderson to Navasky Anderson?
Well, Navasky Anderson is more than just an individual for himself, but known as the people's champion for many reasons. Because Navasky Anderson will go above and beyond just to inspire, just to motivate, and show the people who Navasky Anderson truly comprises of. So we just want to continue to motivate and inspire people, and that's what I'm all about. And that's what Navasky does.
Yeah, man, the walking inspiration.
Yeah, man, walking inspiration, running inspiration too.
Yeah,
man.
Indeed. But we started by going into the household, how Navasky grew up, the mother, father, siblings, all that state.
Well, Navasky Anderson just basically grew up with my mom and my grandmother, basically, Then I went to live with my coach. After living with my coach, from the countryside in Jamaica, of course, most people know, a place called K Valley Centre. So born and raised in the countryside, love swimming, love playing football, love playing cricket. So that's my lifestyle growing up,
Yeah.
Just rafting on the riverside, all of that thing. I had a great childhood. And after that, leave from St. Anne, moved to Spanish Town, living with my coach. Lived with my coach for some time, for some years. And after living with my coach, just continued to train. Day in, day out. Coach wake me up 5 a.m. in the morning for train. Leave from training to go to school. After school, schoolwork. After school work time, isn't me? So I just know, discipline, I learn the balance from a young age, since growing up. Just like the discipline, train, eat, sleep, schoolwork, this and that. And then after about 10th grade, my mom was living overseas for some time. My mom had moved back to Jamaica. And I think, not 10th grade, 9th grade, I went to live with my mom. So I lived with my coach for like 3 years, then went to live with my mom. Went to live with my mom for some years and was transporting back and forth from Kingston to Spanish Town. And then coach looked at me and said, Navi, honestly, I don't think you're putting enough work, You have to go move back with me again. So then 10th grade now, move back to Spanish Town to live with my coach again, To start train on weekends I go home to my mom. 6 farm, same thing. So just like Chuck and Feel just always been around me. I've just always been doing it. I've been making sacrifice for a long time, not just now,
Yeah.
So day in, day out, lifetime sacrifices to get where I am right now,
So hold on, we start from the ground level. So a part of Diego or abiding by?
No, the funny thing was in fifth grade. In fifth grade, I ran at a meet in Senton, Discover Bay Senton. They would call the meet, them call it DBA. Who in Senton know it as DBA meet, parish level meet. Parish before you go to Kingston for run like Sagicor meets is like DBA meet. And coach, I think it was Mr. Trail or Mr. Harton. Mr. Trail and Mr. Harton came down there in 5th grade and I saw them and I ran the 400 and the 1500, never run the 800 meters. So I ran the 400 and the 1500 meters and didn't like running the 800. My teammate at the time, Eric Mackenzie.
Yeah.
Most people probably know Eric Mackenzie. Eric Mackenzie was running the 8. So Eric used to run the 8 and I used to run the 4 and the 15. But I would never run the 800. I dislike running the 800 for some reason. Yeah, and then I was a great 400, 800 athlete for some reason.
What time?
400, 1500 athlete. And then Coach Harton and Coach Shale came down to Discover Bay Center and saw me in 5th grade and kept in touch with me and So they wanted me to come to San Diego next year. So after that, move on to Kingston in 5th grade. And that's when I saw Mr. Kidd, Coach Kidd from San Diego High School.
Yeah.
Coach Andrew Kidd took my number, everything, and yes, he was looking out for me. He was the only athlete at the time he drew to the side and talked to. The only athlete. And I was like,
Mm-hmm.
something about these guys, you know? So
Yeah.
Coach Kidd took me and talked to me, and then for 1 year straight, Coach Kidd would call me every 2 weeks, every 3 weeks. Would check in with me all the time. Never leave
Mm.
me out. And being where I'm from in St. Ann, Knox College is the big school. Everybody
Yeah.
know Knox College. Like, only place I want to go is Knox College. Number one is from birth. Knox College, Knox College. My
Yeah.
mind set in stone, Knox College. Everything set in stone, Knox College. And it reached to the point where it was time I took my GSATs, place number 2 in GSAT in the entire school, number 1 position for boys, you know. And at that time, I was really active indoors, outdoor kid, but I was still smart, Get my first choice, pass on Knox College, and then when it was time to choose, now it was either San Diego or Knox College. And really sit down with my mom, you know, coach from St. Jacob telling me, hey, listen, can get to go overseas and run, I'll take you all over the world. And so I say, oh,
Yeah.
as a country, them think they want a year, And when
Yeah.
them think they need a year to believe in yourself, and them think them always need, always want them life. And my bigger brother used to go to Homewood, he used to set Central Champs record, used to break record all over the place. Bigger brother was a track star. So my bigger brother now, so wake me up a morning time, we go run and them thing there. Just get up and we are gonna run when everybody is sleeping in the community, me and him a run around the community. My
Yeah.
bigger brother, listen, if you go to Knox College, are you able to see your family every week, yeah?
Yeah.
But if you go to San Diego, you can get to live your life, you can run a champs, you can travel, you can explore the world, because that is something I always want to do. But my bigger
Yeah.
brother wasn't able to do that because he had got 3rd-degree burns from a younger age, which prevented him from taking his career to a different level. So I realized that, my bigger brother now, I look out for my best. And when him tell me that,
Yeah.
I say, St. Diego, I think there. So all of my dreams about Knox College, I had to set that aside and
Yeah.
just know, say, I go feet at St. Diego High School. Yeah, so that's how that started. And at the same time, me and Nathan Allen is literally from the same community. Like
Mhm.
literally, yeah, distance apart. Me and Nathan Allen from the same place. So my bigger brother came home one day and said, hey, Nathan is going to San Diego too. And I said, what, Nathan, I got Diego? So I run
Hey.
out the road and say, yo, Nathan. Me I say, yeah, I got Diego too, Nathan say, yes, I got Diego. But Nathan
Yeah.
was transferred from Claude McKay to San
Yeah.
Diego in grade. And then me I got transfer from grade 6 to grade 7. So
Yeah.
me I say, yo, me and Nathan I got Diego. So remember the same Sunday, me and Nathan take 2 taxi from Navasky Valley. You see me? And Nathan reach a Spanish Town, me reach a Spanish Town. And my other friend from the school to Eric Mackenzie used to run 800.
Yeah.
Also went to San Diego. So all 3 of us decided, San Diego was a deal. And just could look up and say I have 2 bigger brothers going into grade 9, grade 10 at that school, and I'm the younger one. So for me, still feel good for know, say, 3 of them from another country, I call Diego.
Yeah.
You
Man.
know?
Yeah. Yeah.
And
Boy, in them time, I
they,
still know that. Jacob was the team, dog.
yeah, bro. We
Be
did
the
went to San
superstar
Diego
them
and
there.
make the best of it. Yeah.
Well, now we ask me here.
Oh, man, so we did went to San Diego High School and make the best use of it.
Yeah, man. So how was the champs for you, bro? Cause me I look at me and say, boy, we don't see Navasky and this, we don't see Navasky out there. How your champs go for you?
Champs.
Yeah.
So for me, champs was grade 7, grade 8. After that, my champs history, just lock off, it
Yeah,
done.
bro. Can't find
So
nothing.
yeah, when our first year champs, I ran the 1500, and I was so small, tiny, smallest dude in the field, smallest person at champs, hands down, smallest person in the track.
Mm.
And I could remember running at champs in grade 7. And everybody else I was running, I remember I was running it against the guy from the States, James. Thick and
Yeah.
tall. So 1500. Ashby from Calabar. Then we used to run against everybody, and the smallest in the field, because, you're class 4 and again, class 3 man them. I run a champs and then put it off to straight finals the first year. Put it off to straight finals and I look. About 15 I win a race. I said I gonna make an impact. First year champs run the 1500. I'm gonna run 429 in a 1500. I run 429 in a 1500 and place fifth at champs. First champs, place fifth. I placed fifth in the first champs. Second year now. Second year start. St. Diego, funny thing now how St. Diego went back and get my next teammate called Keenan Lawrence. Because when I was in St. I used to run with Keenan Lawrence, but I used to beat Keenan all the time. So Keenan had one goal. Keenan said he's going to go to St. Diego and he's not going to stop until he beat back Navasky. So boom, one day Keenan called me. And Keenan said, Navasky, tell coach today, Calabar coach them come down for me. Some coach jump in the car at the same time and go so whoop and drive go country. Drive go country and go for Keenan. I'm throw your clothes in the car and come in the car. And drive back at town. Bring Keenan come town, you know. I say, nah, leave you so you stay until about June, you know, in June. And he must say, yo, you stay in Kingston with Navasky until school start in September. And Keenan stay with me June, July, August, right through. And school starts September now, we start school together. Because coach knows say, any Keenan go back at St. Anne, the Calabar coach, I'm going to take him. So now me and Keenan live together now and we start train morning and night. Coach have told we just a train. So that second year at champs now, Keenan Lawrence and Navasky and this are the two big names for class 3. You know, win things and mash up things. But Keenan was the favorite. Keenan did at them time. Keenan run like 203, 204 in the 800. But me never like the 8. I run the 15 alone. So me and Keenan hot. But end up saying we're going at the race and because we just have this urge that we are going to win and dominate so much, we first, remember running the first 300 meter in a 43 seconds. Me and him just go hard. Going at 43, 44 seconds. And blew up. Blew up a champs. I may end up run, get fifth again. Keenan get second. I may end up get fifth. Me and him end up blow up a champs. And yeah. Blow up a champs, man. Because we're excited. And Keenan say, I go out fast. And I say, yo, I come with you, bro. We are go out there for it. And me and Keenan end up blow up in a race, you know. We will take up the lead and everybody pass up on the home stretch. Well, home stretch and pass up on me because me and him end up blow up. And yeah, after that now, that's how champs history just done this. But we never stop training, you know. Train third farm, train said we are right through. Used to train the hardest. I can tell you that for sure. Fourth farm I train. Put in the most work. I make a national team in a fourth farm. I go Venezuela. But yeah, I was 2016, make a national team. I was supposed to be my first national team, but Jamaica didn't carry out the national team at the time because it was the Olympic year and you know a lot of things had to be taken into consideration. So the country said no other national team going out except the Olympic team 2016. So that was my first hopes of making a national team. And then make the knockout team to go Venezuela and then just everything just down the line with me. I say, oh, we're not going anymore. I said, Jaja. Because of that, after fourth farm, going to fifth farm, bro. Never met the champs team. Fourth farm. I say, yo, CXC time, you know. My mother say, yo, what you know, just lock in and do what you have to do. And I say, you know what? You know, the chucks thing now work for me right now. You know? So I put on the chucks. Put on the chucks, bro. Fifth farm, I put on the chucks. I put on the chucks. Yeah, I put on the chucks and I'll tell you what kind of get me back. Put on the chucks. I put on the chucks in a fifth farm. Them have a mile race now, so I'm going to run the mile race in a fifth farm. And while I run the mile race, run out hard. Because me and all like chucks, man, them, of course, I'm a brother, them, of course, I'm a friend, them, same way. So I did it. I'm going to go, so boom, and I run the mile race. Let me see. Tuta say, come in, man, run with me. I run with Tuta now. Let me see Tuta run left me. I look back and laugh, you see me? I say, yo, up until this day, in trouble me about that, you know. See, man, run left me, and I say, yo, can't believe Tuta just run left me in a 1 mile, you know. I say, alright. I end up saying, I'm going to go overseas for 2 months for nice summer. I'm going to go overseas for 2 months. I end up saying, right where me live, my coach was staying which by my father and my stepmom live in New York. My coach was staying like 11 minutes away, you know.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
Keenan, too tall, everybody was staying with the coach. So coach said, you know what, everybody are training in the summer. So my coach have me in New York a training in the summer for 2 months. That me now before I go to sixth farm, I train for the 2 months. And while me I train, I go so boom now, coach say, yeah man, Navi, you get taller now, you know, time you start back tracks.
Yeah, it, man.
Yeah, coach say, alright, time you start back tracks, come there New York, come here. Me a job pace and things, so me I say, coach say, Navi, your time you start back tracks now. So me reach back at Jamaica, everybody I say, yo, and Navi that.
Yeah.
Cause yeah, man, I'm tall, you know, I'm going from about June, you see me, people say, oh, you look so tall, bro. Navi
Mm.
tall, man, man, Navi never gonna, me there see me. So Navi tall, man. So me I say, like, cool. Start back tracks. And let me start back tracks. First meet me run now 600 and 1K. You know them over distance meet at GC.
Yeah, yeah.
One of them meet there with youth from Monroe at the time, Fullerton and couple of the youth. I'm run a 1,000. I'm run 235. And share with the go on that meet record and me I say, yo, yeah man, like Navi can do tracks this year, you see me?
Yeah.
Lucky now me I do tracks, end up so that season me run 158. Run 158, but 158 couldn't make Jago Champs team. Because I know a man them around 150, 151, you know?
And them
So
fast,
me
bro.
say,
And them fast.
mm,
Fast, bro.
yeah, bro. So that's the champs. The champs journey done. Because
Mm.
realized I couldn't make the team again. But one night me I study after champs the year finish me I study and say you name O'Neal Williams online. Study me I study for Cape. I do 2 Cape subject already and me I study for next 2.
Yeah.
Now I study for Cape subject them. See a youth named O'Neal Williams. He used to be my teammate from San Diego.
Mm.
See him online on Facebook. So I say him take a quick 5 minute study break. And we just video call him man 2 o'clock in the night.
Yeah.
Just randomly video call him and I say, yo, O'Neal, what go on, bro? Me and him attack. And man say, how things are going? I say, how things are going good, you know? And I say, yeah, man, I go back at Diego next year because them I say, yo, probably me come at boy and them thing there. So I look forward for that. And I say,
Yeah.
yo, that great. Yes, and the man I say, yeah, man. So all scholarships and them thing they look for you. Me I say scholarship, man, me never hear about none of them thing there, you know. You know, not about no scholarship from overseas, no coach not talk to me cause as a 158 man it are rough, you see me?
Mm.
So only said to me say, yo, alright. I know most of the teammates them get scholarships line up for them already and a June now, you know? So I
Yeah.
go so I only say, I go give him a coach number and just I give him number, I just want to call him in the morning and just be true to him, tell him who you are and what you will do and all of them someday and ask him for a scholarship. So in the morning now, get the number now, was Coach Craig coaching at Essex at the time. So we wake up early in the morning,
Mm.
so I just call the number. Coach answer me say, hello coach, this is Navasky Anderson from San Diego High School. I have 10 CXC subjects. I'm now doing 4 Cape subjects.
Yeah.
I'm not the best track athlete. I'm going to be honest with you. I'm not the best track athlete on the track. I'm running 158 right now. But I'm a very hard working and determined young man. And if you give me an opportunity, coach, I will make the best use of it, you know?
Yeah,
And
yeah.
coach said, this was a great conversation and a long time I haven't seen an athlete that like literally stood out like you know. So I'm gonna give you that opportunity because I like what I'm hearing. And at the same time, man say, are you by your computer? And I say, yes, sir. He say, send me an email. He send me
Yeah.
email. Same time, I shoot up application, same speed, I shoot up application, send it back go game. In a few days' time, I see an email came in, you have been accepted by Essex County College. And I say,
Easy.
what? So that's how the next journey start, bro. So grace to God, you know?
Yeah, bro. Cause me that one day, you know, like we reach a Essex cause in a story me think because you have family in a New York region. But me never know
Mm-hmm.
say a links, bro. I'm
No, man,
blessing
just
you and truly.
blessings, man. O'Neal Williams.
Yeah,
We
that
can't
man.
forget O'Neal Williams, man. Them call him Stringers. Stringers
Yeah,
goes on and say, call my coach and talk to him. And I know say him probably say, oh, coach, listen here, I go get a call from such man and this, you know?
yeah,
And it's a
naturally.
great youth. And coach put in the word and the next year, me and him there Essex a train.
Yeah, man.
So we a trade. So we me and him a trade.
Yeah.
So me and him a trade, and you know, he iron sharpens iron, you know. So
So,
I have to give me respect to O'Neal because he was a big part of my journey and reason why I'm here, you know.
yeah, man, big up yourself on you, man, for real, man.
Yeah, man.
For real. So, always SXP, bro. Your first going, like your first week, when you say first day.
First week of school, bro. Not gonna lie to you, I'm in the hospital.
What?
First week of school, me reach. Yeah, bro. First week of school, bro. It's just like I had an incident. It's like for the first 3 weeks of school, I was just locked off. I really talked to nobody, just all to myself because
Hmm.
when I moved into the dorms, somebody like I was just chilling in my room, but somebody called me and asked me to help them, send me for help them move them bed, you know, fix them bed and stuff. But it's like behind the bed, them have the bed frame behind the bed. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, yeah.
Behind the mattress, them have the bed frame. So now go to the room now and me I pull one side of the bed, me I move the bed. Fail put down the bed, me never see the bed frame. By the time I look up, me see the bed frame and I come down, boom! Chop me in my face, you know, bro, right? So, you know,
Yeah.
yeah, bro, knock me out. Me don't remember nothing. The only
Mm.
thing I can remember, I just see O'Neal over me in the hospital. Yo, Navi. Oh, in the ambulance, me in the ambulance, and I say, yo, Navi. Only thing I remember, I just black out again, knock out, bro. I just wake up back in the hospital. Wake up in the hospital. O'Neal let me see side of me, you see me?
Mm.
So you know, it's a real youth. So O'Neal let me see right side of me, and I say, yo, me have a concussion and things, so. And put a big plaster all over here, so.
Mm.
So, and the next day, you know, I say school I start. I say, you know, it's a plaster. I still go to school because I miss my first day of school. I
Yeah,
have to go to school take notes.
yeah.
So, yeah, we just go to school and go sit down in my back of class. Back of class to take notes. A big guy patch over 1 year. I can't see nothing.
Sure, those
Yeah, man. And then for that, me just reserve. I was just reserved the sick back, laid back, the school training. No, I wasn't training at that time.
Yeah,
The school, home, and just art to myself, you know. But
yeah,
that kind of give me way for say, yo, who is who and how certain people act and all of them things there. Because you
fuck.
know you have to enter in college, you have to choose your friends wisely. So
Yeah,
I mean, I say, sorry, so I get knocked out, but everything happened for a reason, you know.
fuck. They believe in a fate or destiny.
Faith.
Believe in a fate.
Believe in a faith.
Okay. Not
You make a
F-A-I-T-H, F-A-T-E,
eh?
Not F-A-I-T-H,
Faith.
No, man, F-A-T-E. Not faith. Faith.
Faith.
Yeah,
Faith or destiny.
yeah, which one?
Let me just say this. Destiny, that's a good question. That is a good question. Because if it's meant to be, it's meant to be, right?
Yeah.
So that is a good question. I will just leave it up to God, though.
All right. Can see that one still. So, all
Yeah.
right. Your introduction to indoor. How would that go for you?
Introduction to indoor. Indoor now. Did run cross country. Love running cross country at the time because I used to run a lot of 5K and 10K. So by
Yeah.
the time I went for indoors, I was in shape. My humble apologies. So when I went to indoor now, I was in nice shape. So remember my first race indoors around 204 in the 800. You see me? Around
Mm.
204 in the 800 and by the end of the indoor season, I ended up running 154 indoors. And that same indoor season, my coach used to say, all right, starting off with a mile, I'll run 4 events at each track meet. I run a
Oh.
mile. After I run the mile, I run the 8. I used to this. I didn't like running the 800. I used to run the mile, then I used to run the 8. And then I used to
Mm.
run the 4x4. The mile, the 8, the 4x4. 4 events I used to run, man. Mile, 8, 400 and 4x4. Yes. I used to run all 4 of them events. And then one day coach say, Navi, you only running one race today.
Yeah.
You only running 800, you know? So every time I just used to run 4 events. And then one day coach said, you're running the 800 only.
Yeah.
And that one day he gave me the 800 only, I run 154. And following the outdoor season, I ended up running 153. You know, running 49 seconds in the 400 and 53 in the 800. So at that time, that was huge for me. As a
Yeah.
guy coming from 158, that's big time. Especially being in the cold training indoors, in a
Yeah.
basketball training upstairs and stuff. That was huge for me. And following that season, one more year at Essex County College, only did my indoor season because of COVID. You know, got second at the NJC Championships,
Yeah.
run 152.7 indoors. By the time running 152.7 indoors, all the coaches all over wanted Navasky and this because now I was fully grown. I was like 6'3",
Yeah.
tall strides, tall legs, don't know how to use my strides, don't know how to run properly. And everybody could just look at me and say, yo, that guy has potential, he has talent, but he just don't know how to run, you know?
Yeah.
So I don't know if all the coaches saw that or the coaches was like, hey, that guy have potential or talent, but that's what my coach at Mississippi State saw and believed in me. And that's why I got Leon Clark and I to come to Mississippi State. And both of us had simultaneous offers, and we decided to go to Mississippi State and start working.
So hold on.
So yeah.
What about Mississippi State out there at school level? We say, yo, I listen.
All right. Um, the day when Mississippi State came to me,
Mm.
the day when Mississippi State came to me, it was in Virginia. It was a trap meet in Virginia, and it was a lot of Division One coaches. Everybody was coming to me. I was like, hey, can I have you on a flight down next week? I can book your flight next week. I'll stay in this hotel. I can give you this money. I can give you that. You're gonna have everything you want. This and that. Most coaches that stopped by came to me. They had 3 minutes to talk to me because there was literally a line of coaches waiting to talk to me. So
Yeah.
most coaches got like 4 minutes. Coach at Mississippi State came. Hey, I'm Alan Shearer. Hey, I'm Coach Chris Woods. And they were like, I know all these coaches gonna come to you and they're gonna offer you this, we're gonna offer you that, this, do this and that. You know, so there was like, all I'm asking if I could just have a dinner with you later. All I'm just asking to have dinner with you. And while every coach got like 3-4 minutes, we sat down for like 3 hours.
Mm.
Talking everything about Mississippi State. Sat down for like 3 hours at dinner.
Yeah.
So, and that way was able to, they said, coach told me, listen, we're here for two people and two people only. And we're not here to see anybody else, talk to anybody else. We're just here for you and Leon. That's it.
Yeah. Yeah.
And that's all they came for. And they asked for dinner and we went for dinner. And I'm telling you, I'm glad I sat down and talked to Coach Chris at dinner that day and Coach Alan Shearer. So yeah,
Yeah.
it definitely stood out. And at the time, Marco was already running at Mississippi State and Brandon McBride, yeah,
Yeah.
Dejan.
Brandon.
You have 143, 144 guys running there at the time. I can't say no to that. You know what I'm
True.
saying?
True.
Yeah. And then you have one of the youngest black head coach in the ACC. You know, so there's a lot that stood out to me. Knew nothing about Mississippi State, but
Mm.
I knew Mississippi was the right place to go.
Mm. Because honestly, bro, you go in and make an impact instantly, bro. Instantly. So what me want to know is, as a man don't even understand how 800 go, why you think change from, not even say high school, from Essex to SEC? Why you make that big jump there? Or how, really and truly?
That big jump was necessary because you know when like track and field for me, yo, you can't just like it. You have to love it. You know this, so you have to be obsessed
Yeah.
with it. You have to be something to know that you get up 6 days a week and training every day, sometimes 2 times a day. You know,
Mm-hmm.
and then just know you have the potential to do better. You can know when you have the potential to do better. You can know when you have it in you. You can feel when you want it. You can feel the calling. You can feel the urge to go somewhere. You know
Yeah.
what's good for you. But I just knew Mississippi State was going to be the perfect place for me. It wasn't all about the hype. It wasn't. You don't see Mississippi State athletes doing the most all over the media. You
True.
know, there wasn't a lot of Jamaicans down there. I don't see anybody down there. I know it's just like it's different. It's far away from everything. It's
Yeah.
like a small campus, small town. There's no distractions in it. It's just school, training, training, eat, sleep, you know. So it's just
Yeah.
like you're in a training camp every day. So it's
Okay.
like you have the right people, set of people around. You have 144, 143 guys around you. That's what you want.
True.
You have a great team. They have Olympic facilities. Your rent is taken care of. You have money in your pocket.
Yeah.
You have, you know what? You rent, me as a coach, as long as my rent good, and me
Good.
can eat food, and me can me have forward.
Yeah,
Because
man.
there was offers at the table where I was getting more money from different schools, but it wasn't about the money.
True.
Forget what I'm saying. It's about the potential to get better. You know, see myself getting better. It was I wanted to be developed, and I knew Mississippi State was gonna develop me. It was a school that was gonna develop you for sure. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, man.
Both
It's
your
not
character,
believe it.
your skills. Yeah, man. So that's how I ended up at Mississippi State. Faith and belief.
Yeah, man. It's all right. So it's so not good and but like give me a session where you did hit. Where you see the session up on the paper, you say, yo, Jano. And when you got rough today, man.
It's not necessarily. I think I was talking about this yesterday. It's not necessarily hate, you know, but for some reason,
Mm.
whenever I see the difficult training sessions, the hard training sessions,
Yeah.
I get excited for some reason. Like I know I'm gonna be on the ground, and I know I'm
Yeah.
gonna feel the pain. I know I'm gonna feel sick in the night because of how I literally run myself in the wall. But I
Yeah.
just get excited. I have a feeling like, yo, I'm ready to go knock down the workout there. But I'm not gonna lie, there were times like, yo, need the alarm, beep, beep, beep. I say,
This no safe.
it's not safe, you know. You know what I'm saying? It's not
Yeah.
safe. Even while I look on the paper, I say, yo, I have 12 miles for running now, I have 11 miles for running now. I say, yo, back, I feel my back, you know. I feel my
Mm.
shin, near me. I say, yo, this is not safe, you know. But I say, yo, I say, look for me to when even reach door yet.
What's on a complaint now?
And I complain, I have man out there where I win Olympic medal and them thing there. So I say, you know, don't think about it, just get up. I
Yeah.
might say, just don't think about it, just move.
Yeah, yeah.
If you start same time, just get up out there. As you hear alarm, you just get up out of bed. Not now grab the phone, nothing. As you hear beep beep, you just get up and move.
Say, I saw me stay to do that. Say, I want
Yeah.
alarm, me have to do that. As the
Mm-hmm.
one alarm go, me have to get up, dog. Happy.
Get up and move.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. Me can't do two alarm.
Yeah. As if you lay around, you're going to feel it.
Yeah. I really talk, yeah, talk. Really talk, yeah, talk, bro.
Yeah.
Really
But
talk,
just
that.
get anytime I feel like me I go have a day like that, me get up and move.
Yeah, man. That's well
Mm-hmm.
sense, man. Yeah, man. So, all
Yeah, man.
right, 2021, the COVID Olympics. What go on for you, bro?
2021,
Yeah,
I pulled both my hamstrings. I pulled the left one indoors in the SEC indoor finals.
yeah,
I pulled the left one indoors in the SEC finals. I was one of the favorites going into the finals.
yeah.
Tall and kid just at Mississippi State just started, but I already started making an impact. Ended up running 149.7 that indoor season. Pulled the
Yeah.
hamstring in the finals. Brandon Miller ended up winning the championships indoors. Went outdoors again. There was this one race at SECs. So I was no. Before outdoor SEC championship, pull the hamstring, the same hamstring that I pull indoor.
Mm.
Go outside, pull the next hamstring. Beginning of outdoor season. So it's like, yo, when I have no hamstring, I remember sitting down just helping coach the other guys. So coach. But in the meantime, I used to swim all 2 times a day. Just a
Yeah,
swim, work on the lungs. I used to do some 40-minute run. Twice a day, I do 40-minute run. I just build the lungs and just coach say you run at the pace right before you feel like you're gonna hit the hamstring for it to hurt. Just me, I feel it pain in the hamstring, but still I move.
yeah.
Just consistently, just keep moving. And then it was 1 week before SEC championships. It was like, all right, Navasky, if you want to run at SECs, you have to run at this meet. It's the only way
Mm.
we can take it to SEC. It was a home meet. And I could remember all my friends was in the stands, and everybody come watch home meet and them thing there.
Yeah,
And Mississippi State decided to set up a race with Ole Miss, you know. And Marco was going to be in the race. So Marco was in the race. Marco ended up running a world lead. He ran 1:44.7. Hit world lead early April, you know?
Yeah.
Boom. Everybody else from Ole Miss, like 5 Ole Miss dudes, and like me, Marco, and Leon, 3 Mississippi State, and like 5 Ole Miss dudes.
Yeah. Young
And
Marks.
yeah, war me, I say war, my friends and that, but my first time this I run now, you know, isn't me?
Yeah.
I'm going to a race, bro, and boom, me end up run 1:49. But the 1:49 I'm run become last in the race, you know. You see me? Come
Yeah.
last in the race. I mean, I say, yo, you know, say, you're there at college and Holly a friend them, and you know what I'm saying? In
Yeah.
the stands, and everything. You know what I mean? In the stands, I watch and them thing, and I say, yo,
Yeah.
I know that rough by my side. Everybody see me coming last night race. All I Ole Miss dog them come up and everybody from Ole Miss run left me. I say me feel it in my heart.
Yeah.
Feel it. Feel it in my heart, man. And I say, alright, cool. I have to just take the slap there and move on. So now I'm go SEC championships now. I'm go SEC championships.
Mm.
I remember now I'm going to the finals. SEC championships. Me end up get 7th in the finals.
Yeah.
Brandon Miller win 1:45.9. I get 7th in the finals. Me I said, Jaja. Next lap on my trim run 1:49 again. Go regionals. First round of regionals 1:49. Second round of regionals 1:49. Place 4th. Never get the top 3 spot. Couldn't make nationals. We just call it this up.
Yeah,
Call
bro.
the season. I say, yo.
Yeah.
First season that time, I say, yo, Jaja.
Yo,
And
Brandon, but still not that.
yeah,
I let the shark money, but you know.
bad man.
But
Yeah man, and when the summer they come, I'm
mm.
going New Jersey for the summer. I tell you say for the summer day. Blood, sweat and tears, man.
Yeah,
Every
man.
morning, every
Alright.
morning, every morning me gonna run, man. My
Yeah,
whole
man.
family from Jersey. My whole family come out on the track and everybody out there with me. And
Yeah.
me just run, me I run, and COVID is still active, so you know, I say everybody active outside, so the park's full, me just a run. Me
Mm.
and my mule tear down the place and me and build the lungs.
Yeah.
Go back to Mississippi now. Go back to Mississippi for school, and coach I give me workouts and just a slap up every workout saying, bro, you know? Coach I
Breeze.
say, yeah, coach I look for the time them and say, oh, same time I run right now, the
Yeah.
same time I run last year. So coach I
Oh.
say, so yeah. Boom, so end up so Marco come back from Diamond League now. So Marco come back from Diamond League late September. Start training October. Them time them warm.
Yeah.
So I'm warm. You know, so I'm warm and one. Marco come back in the training and me I say, yes man, you have to go work. You see me?
Yeah. Me I
So
hear.
me animal train. Eh?
Yeah, me I hear
So me
him.
animal train. Yeah, man, so me animal train. Man say, yes man, I have to go work, and me I train, and the college man them I train and coach us to say, yo, me just a tear off the place, me just a gone, me just a tear down the place, so you see me?
Yeah.
So coach say, alright, Navasky. Start increase my workload, you know?
Yeah.
Because me when I give me now, me I handle it too well, you see me? So I
Yeah.
start increase intensity, increase me my volume and everything, and so remember one Tuesday, now Marco do a workout. So me not beat Marco in a workout. Me
Yeah.
not beat Marco in a workout. And I say, alright. Next Tuesday, I say Marco come in a training with a headband. I say Marco doing a headband, and he tie up a headband and he put on one baggy shorts. Him say, oh, you know what day is today, Navasky? I say, what is today? Man say, today is payback Tuesday. Yo.
Yeah.
Man say, yo, today is payback Tuesday. I mean, I say, payback Tuesday. Man say, you're going to pay for everything you did last week. You see me? So me I say, alright.
You come for blood.
We have blood. Say, man, come back vengeance now.
Yeah.
Since the man come back vengeance a day, every day after that Tuesday was payback Tuesday. I pay
Gentlemen.
for everything. Pay for everything I did. And see, while paying for it, the coach said one thing. At every time, make sure you can touch Marco in his back. No matter when you train, just make sure you can touch him in his back. So
Yeah.
I'm not use no watch, I'm not use nothing, I just run and make sure I say, yo,
Lip
I'm
and
gonna
pace.
reach and distance. Yeah, so that come down now, so we like really start training together, and so come start get better and better and better and better. And first indoor meet come now, and I only run 30 meters indoors.
Yeah, dog.
Boom!
Yeah,
Pull
man.
up my hamstring.
Yeah, man. If you get hurt, boy.
Rip up. Yeah, man, up a Birmingham hamstring, rip up
Yeah.
first 30 meters. I say, all I had work that time, I just feel like, say, track thing enough for me, and I feel like put it down, and I say, all I had work, just everything me do, them at times, I can't run for 6 weeks, I just have to sit down all the indoor season. And I sit down all the indoor season, bro. Go back to the same routine, the swimming and the running and everything,
Yeah.
and strength building and doctor, and outdoor season start and first meet outdoor, bro.
Yeah.
Find the glasses, find the power in the glasses, I'm go so put on the glasses, bro, and then boom, first meet outdoor. We run 146.5, bro.
Mm.
From 149, man, I say 146.5. I say, oh, I say, what? I say 146.5?
Mm.
And I mean, hamstring pull all the indoor seasons. I say, I can't run 146.5 now. That means I'm not nah, man.
Yeah, man.
And I say, yo, coach, alright? No more chat, mate. Just training. Me train, and everybody aside. Mississippi State glasses youth. Run 146.5, but them can't see him, but them don't know him there.
Mm.
Every weekend and everybody gonna chat me. I train. Just I train and I train and I train and I train and I train. Train and then boom, ACC championships come now.
Mm.
CC. This so now everybody really get to know Navasky. Yes, everybody really get to know Navasky, and I go say, well, I drop on about the glasses.
Yeah.
Drop on about the glasses, and you know, say Brandon Miller did the last year and Brandon hot. So I
Yeah.
know say Brandon I come back with blood and fire.
Yeah,
But
man.
all year and now, you never know what them decide to do. Them decide to put SEC championships at Ole Miss. Remember the
Oh.
5 Ole Miss man them come beat me?
Yeah.
They decide to bring the SEC championships at Ole Miss.
Mm.
And me know that from last year, you know, so if day me a train with that part of my mind, you know. So I go
Yeah.
back at Ole Miss, just want to tear up everything, you know. Because of what they do to me, you know.
Yeah.
Yes, bring the championships to Ole Miss. It wasn't about anybody else in the race. I really didn't care about anybody else in the race. But I just know I'm on Ole Miss territory. The
Yeah.
last time Mississippi State them beat me up. And this time, me shell everything.
Yeah,
And
man.
bro, me end up set a facility record. Me set the track record for sure.
Yeah.
Mash up every record down there, bro. Win SEC championships. Run 145, 8, 9. Then everybody like, yo, Jamaican run 145, Jamaican run 145. I'm say, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And then coach say, all right, back on our silence again. Let's go and train. Let's go and train again. Train.
Yeah.
Regionals now. First round. Run first round. Coach say, listen, we just want you got the back of the pack. And last 600 meters, you just run past everybody.
Wait, hold on.
And
Hold on. That not hold on, that. Where we hold on. What that for? What that for? The show up.
because, no, show off. Coach need to know, because remember, I know me only run 2 races.
Yeah.
Run 2 races. So coach need to know, if me get stuck in the back of the pack, if me can find my way
Yeah.
around in the front, you know. So
Mm-hmm.
him fully send me at the back of the pack. Because I need to know how me I can react. Because
Yeah.
right now, I just run from the front. I go all out from first or second and just run.
Mm.
But like, you know, how me I can react from the back. Even though me I run 145 now, you
Yeah.
need to see if me box me in, if me can. Me have to have the confidence that if me up on the track at nationals and then box me in. Because
Yeah.
that cannot happen.
So
Coach send me at the back of the pack. So I say, all right, coach, cool. Race start. Right, run a back. Run a back a chill. Me reach 500 on the back stretch. I just say, shoo. Run past everybody. Like at the time I run 145, everybody is in a race around like 149,
oh God.
148.
Oh
So me
God.
I say, so at that time man, me just say, yeah, alright, cool. Like, me even not think about the race, you're not gonna feel no pressure running a race like that. You just gotta
Yeah,
just
true.
run and win. So then the finals. I think what are they? The finals, the morning of the finals, the day before the finals, me ring my ankle, roll my ankle, bad.
Oh.
But bro, like me outside, me and do a shake out in the morning, and me
Mm.
a run and just roll my ankle, bro. Me, all of my teammates them did them, roll my ankle and ankle swell up big,
Mm.
and me just for the whole of the next day, I couldn't leave the bed. Me just in the bed, bro. Them a buy food, come give me, them a treat me in the bed and everything. Me I say, yo, John, how me manage to make this happen, man? You see me? And then I go say, boom, and wrap it up and go in a race. And coach say, yo, just manage one and just advance to nationals and we take care of it.
Mm.
Go in a race and although me I feel the ankle me end up win. Me win the race with 147.2. Nice and easy winning 147.2
Yeah.
and go nationals and end up go nationals and break the national record
Yeah.
145. It was record was 145.21 and all me did need is a 145.20. I mean, I say, no, I'm
Good.
gonna get the record. I mean, need it for go world champs. Me need 145.20 for go world champs and the record at 145.21.
Yeah.
So
So
I say,
have a break it one to get it two.
yeah, man, one's to one two bird,
Yeah, man.
one two bird. But me know some of the nationals. And let me say, there's no way 145.5 or 145.6 I win nationals. You know. More odds are fair run 144, 145, 143 at the time.
Yeah.
You know, Brandon 144. So me I say, oh, more than Brandon, them definitely I go out. So me I say, all me I go do, I go just go right out there in a second place. But Brandon fight me and take his second place spot, you know? So
Yeah.
me just still out there in a third, but still go through in a 50 points and we say pace hot same way. We go out and we run and end up get second in a race 145.02 but national record, but that race was one of my favorite race, you know?
Yeah. But not lie, your
Yeah.
2022 season my favorite season still.
Yeah,
Yeah.
definitely.
But not lie. That even I mean, we talk about it till like we do after nationals. Nah, like that season was impressive. You can't say you start coming in and say that wife he coming out. Get me, I said that.
Yeah. But yeah, man, that's definitely a great season. So I'm trying to replicate that season and have even a greater season this season. You know that I'm transferred and with
Yeah.
Under Armour. So, but
Mm.
and that's
All right.
run a 4x4 at Commonwealth Games.
Yeah, man. Cause me want
Mm-hmm.
say what still not that. A joke thing you take people them thing for. Why you gonna run 4x4? I come on with that.
You know the 4x4. If you realize, I feel like it was planned before. Because if you realize, Bartley,
Mm.
Javon Francis,
Yeah.
Nathan Allen,
Yeah.
and Cox,
Yeah.
Navasky Anderson,
Yeah.
roommates. Remember that, you know, man?
So
We always say
Bloomfield what? No, Bloomfield.
Bloomfield next door,
Yeah.
Powell,
Yeah.
then put all like 400 man them. I mean, me all the 800 man, but then put me with the 4x4 squad
So
specifically.
so
So feel like them, they know them I do. And in the training, me realize me and Donkey, one evening, me and Donkey do the same workout.
eh.
We have some 300 for do, yeah, we have some 300 for do. Me and Donkey do the same workout. I'm just a bounce 36, 35 round the track. And them I
Yeah.
say, Donkey, I do the same workout. Them I say, alright. So one evening, me go to the mall and come back, and go to the mall and come back. And them I say, 4x4 team, we have a meeting. So me I say, 4x4. But me as a mean I have 4x4 room. I probably, that's why they send me.
Yeah.
So, see email and now, I say, I see text and now, I say, remember all of we going to meet in the 4x4?
Yeah, man.
And I say, yo, show up at a meeting and I say, Navasky, the reason why we're calling this meeting because we need it for the 4x4. And we wouldn't give you this task to do if we know that you couldn't do it, you know? So I say, yo, 4x4. I say, alright, you call me coach yet? I say, yeah, man, they call me coach. Call coach and coach. I say, listen, coach, make them know, hey, Navasky, hamstrings giving me his is a lot, you know, so if such and such, you know, just
Yeah.
know, say, yo. he haven't been doing anything since World Championships. Since World Championships, he just barely giving me speed work just to maintain because he kind of wanted to shut me down.
Yeah.
But
Long season.
it's a long season, you know. So you just like just maintenance works. I haven't been doing any speed work like that.
Mm.
You know, it's alright 4x4. I say, I don't want to go on a 4x4 and the man them come hunt me down and them thing there. But same time, me have Barley, then me have Cox, and man, say, yo, legend, I
Yeah,
can't
man.
do this.
Really, man.
About all them man, them, they say, yo, bro, you got this. I say, yo, man, them believe in me still, you know. I say, I'm going to run 4x4 from season, you know. But I say,
Mm.
yo, Jamaica need me for do this. I say,
Yeah.
yo, everybody can wake up on TV a morning and watch this, you know. I say,
Yeah.
this life on TV a morning. You see me, so I say, all right. Remember the morning all that we go out there and we warm up. No, me and you badly.
Yeah.
Remember we go warm up early in the morning. But then time in the UK,
Oh,
cool.
cool, bro.
Cool in the morning. Summertime like 40 something degrees.
Yeah.
Cool. Cool and me and them here go shake out in the morning and thing and we got check you know. We got check and warm up. Coach say yo the three fast 120s.
Yeah,
So I just
man.
warm up with the three fast one. It's after I do three fast 120. I just feel confident, bro. I say
Ready.
yo, ready and the man I say yo, we go in like aroma Cox hype.
Yeah, man.
I mean I
That's
say
it. Relax.
yeah. I mean, I say, I see a hype up. I mean, I see Donkey Man a hype. I mean, I say, yo. I mean, I say, yes. You see me? I say, yo, let's go. All right. I see you going bust. I say, yo. See you run out back there. I say, yo. Barley gone, you know.
Yeah, man. You're afraid.
And I say, yo. I mean, I say, I saw my time, you know. I
Mm.
say, go so boom. And Cox get the button and then say, it's the Jamaican Anthony Cox with the button. I mean, I say, yo. I'm like me next time. I just I realize that me I come up next in a 4x4 and me I look around the stadium and I say, oh,
Yeah.
stadium packed and I win and I lead, you know.
Yeah.
I can remember Bloomfield. Bloomfield said something to me and say, yo, just stretch out a long leg them on the back stretch. You see me just lift up on them and me I say, yo, Mr. Bloomfield, you know say, if them not catch me before last 200, then nah catch me again.
Yeah.
Got be a strength me I come home with.
Yeah,
I'm
man.
go son. Yeah, and I say, alright. Get the button. I just can't remember Bloomfield said just lift up on the back stretch. Run out. Run
Mm-hmm.
out. And when me are running on because my legs them because me stride them so long, it look like me just a bounce, but me a fly. If you
I
look on
run.
the man behind, I saw film foot I go, but me I go so.
Yeah.
I lift up my foot them on the back stretch and you know me in the glasses, so I look up on the big screen TV so you see gap.
Ooh.
So me I say, I'm just hold the gap, bro. So after I hold the gap and I come off of the first curve,
Yeah.
reach at 150 now, I say I trouble. I say you can't catch me again. Because I'm too confident.
Yeah,
Me
man.
have too much strength for you catch me.
Yeah,
So
man.
I just use the rest of that time just bring you go get donkey man. And that's one of my best races, I tell us.
Dog,
Race
that
for
was really
fun.
a fun race, dog. I'm not gonna lie, that was the
Really.
funnest race I run in my life. Cause boy, don't keep on going there in the glasses, dog. You know. The man just
Yeah.
and just a cruise, bro.
Yeah,
I say,
yeah,
yo,
bro.
that is fun, dog. But dog, great, dog.
It's fun and the media after and the dancing and the celebration
Yeah,
it was really needed.
come on, come on with the
Really
game.
needed.
So you do after that, after a long season, bro.
It's a long season, bro.
Yeah, how you celebrate? Always
Celebrate with
do.
family. I always do.
Yeah.
Let's go back to New Jersey. Because earlier I did the Jamaica for trials. Go back to New Jersey, go visit my family.
Mm.
Relax and easy back. And at the time, I didn't know if I was going professional. I was going back to school. I'm going to be honest with you. I was having conversations with agents, with brands, with everything. And came back from the UK like the 13th or so of August. School was starting like the 17th.
Yeah.
I was just chilling in Jersey, bro. I didn't know what I was doing. I don't know if I'm going back to school or if I'm going professional.
Yeah.
Didn't know what I was doing, bro. And then end up saying, let's go back to Mississippi. I'm just walk in that classroom on the 17th
Yeah.
and just our meetings and we just because we did go pro the end of the season there, but I don't know what happened. Can't tell you what happened, bro. I
Just
just
not
walk back in.
feeling
Like, me reach in that classroom and I say, yes, I'm back in the school. One more year, Mississippi State, and go to
yeah,
have conversation. Let's lock in, let's do it. Yes, sir.
yeah, man, my
So that's
bad.
how I went back to school for another year. And
Yeah,
then at the same time, I still wanted to do my master's, but yeah, I wasn't sure if I was gonna just focus fully on track and field or go back into the classroom. But I just walked right into the classroom. Everything was set up. Advisor set up everything and send me everything, and it was just I look on the phone sometime and I say, alright. So walk back in that classroom. So that go.
yeah, bro.
So that
So what you know? Alright, after you get to that, you go through the phase and say, yo, one if you want to go pro, one if you want to go to school. But you eventually go back to school. So how your mind change in the classroom and on the track that 23 season? Because you know more now, you know that.
it felt different. It didn't feel like a regular athlete at all. So I didn't act like a regular athlete. I didn't train like a regular athlete. I trained like a professional, act like a professional.
Mm,
At the time I was like that indoor season when I ran 145, that indoor season. I literally run one race, run 146 5, and then went to nationals. Then run 145 8 indoors, and I get DQ. But yeah,
yeah,
I
bro.
didn't train like a regular athlete. I didn't. Then the classes I was doing, it was like grad school classes. So
Mm,
so basically I used to do gold classes at night. So I used to train like from to 2 to 6 sometime, and
yeah,
just like right in the classes right back to 9 o'clock, and then just wake up, just go sleep, and then wake up back, train in the morning, then training again, and class 9 nights. So yeah, that's how I used to live.
pro life.
Me used to just live the pro life
Yeah.
while in college, just like calm and cool. I never used to do the most.
Man. So what you mentioned, say you get DQ after you set national record indoor. First of all, why did you get DQ actually, bro? Because I'm still not understand why I get DQ.
Honestly, I feel like the true reason is if you watch all my races,
Yeah,
if you watch all my races from even in junior college right up, even NCAA 2022, whenever
yeah,
I'm finishing, that's how I finish. I always down, like literally I saw me finish, bro.
yeah,
I like me not have eyes in my head, but I can't see what go on back at me.
yeah,
My glasses, I have on my glasses strapped up. I'm
yeah,
gonna just the finishing line. But them say impede him by going over in his lane. But it's the 800 meters. There's no assigned lane for anyone.
yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So that call was not necessary because
Not that, not that, bro.
I've witnessed numerous Olympians. I've witnessed Paul Chilemo. Even Paul Chilemo said that was a clean move.
Yeah,
Because I
dog.
witnessed him, bro, another guy from lane 1 to lane 5 and went to the Olympic Games. So, but it's in the past now, so now I talk about it, I laugh about it. But that race,
Yeah.
I feel like that race,
But,
that race,
but I
that
feel
race will
like,
forever be talked about because most people see somebody who go there with all of them heart, all of them strength, just with one goal, just
yeah,
right from the front, from the start to the finish. Not leave nothing on the table. I'm gonna give that race my all. Okay, I go out in 23 seconds, reach a 450.4. You know,
yeah,
reach 600 116.
yeah,
So
man, yeah,
I'm like
real.
going on the race like with no joke, just one goal, one aim. Like I left it all on the line, and I was rewarded with a DQ.
Yeah, bro.
Fastest time in the country. I was at altitude, national record. Like everything just went down the drain.
Yeah,
So that call was necessary. But while even coming back in the airport, so much people came to me and was like shaking, man. One guy even went down on his knees and it was like, "Hey, man, you are the true champion."
yeah, bro.
You know you.
Yeah, dog.
And then them time to me I say, "Oh, like the people's champion name is real." So me I
So hold
say,
on.
"Oh,
I would not get a people's champion. 2022?
2022 people's champ."
2022.
The observer they drop it and man,
Oh, I
you
was over
just can't.
coming.
Observer.
Okay. Okay.
Observer drop it and then just all over the place.
Yeah, yeah. Me and Bud Silly, man, I grew in there.
Yeah, man.
Champion the bud, man. But yeah, man. All right, outdoor. What going for your outdoor, bro? Cause
Outdoor.
yeah, me not think that you compete with Mississippi that year.
Yeah, the outdoor. That's following outdoor season. I feel like I was in the best shape of my life.
Yeah,
1 week for the NCAA championships. I did a workout. I did a 1K, 222, 5
yeah.
minutes. Run a 600, 122, 5 minutes. Run a 300, 40 seconds. With 5 minutes rest in between. If you
Mm,
know that, I don't. There's only a handful of people in the world could do that right now.
yeah. Box.
That is literally a 143 shape workout.
Yeah,
And I was like, yo, then nationals next week are trouble, you know?
yeah, man.
Everybody and want to say, I go on my bed, wake up in the morning, I can't walk 1 week before nationals. I cannot walk. Me in a boot, they push me through a wheelchair in a airport. Can't move. My right foot mash up. Like bone them now, like everything in my right foot just collapse. I can't feel nothing, I can't apply no pressure, I just smash up.
Mm.
Until the day of nationals, I never run, never move, nothing. And the day of
So,
nationals, yeah, bro. And the day
cause
of,
me
day of
that's oh you look so Charles, bro.
yeah, bro. The day of nationals, the first day I ran, took some medication,
Mm,
wrap up my foot, took some medication and wrap up my foot and going on the race and going on the race. Still lead the still go out and lead the race. I don't know
yeah,
what shape me, how me feel. I just go run. I run 149. And the
yeah,
commentator said Navasky Anderson will have to watch the finals from the stands.
yeah,
I said,
that,
Jaja, feel that to me. Ah, brother, that
yeah,
break me.
bro.
Break me, bro. Mentally, physically. Yo. That, I feel like that was the lowest point of my life. Like, literally break me in a mince and pieces. Like, locked off from the world, from everybody.
Yeah,
And I was at this hotel in Texas. I had the towel over my head and I had my MacBook out and I was going through. And then for some reason, I had my notes on it from like 5 years ago, 4 years
mm,
ago. Look back on the notes, and in the notes it said everything I wrote down, making my first Jamaica team, everything. I realized I've accomplished far more than everything I wrote.
yeah,
Say, yo, can't make this one moment just break me, so.
box.
You know? And I did had me done for a few days. I went to trials, last trials in Jamaica, around 147, got second place.
Yeah,
Yo, I said, no, all year me I train for world champs. But I can't make world champs miss me, bro. You
yeah,
know? And end up saying I'm there at Jamaica for 3 weeks. For 3 weeks, all I do me run like for 20 minutes and do some strides. For the rest of the
mm,
time after trials, I don't do nothing more.
mm,
Just do some strides. Just run and do some strides. And end up so this meet director from California reach out to him because he said oh, it's a big race in California. And end up say, oh, you know what, I can reach California. Dep on the next flight out when him say him accept me.
yeah,
Reach which state I reach now? I reach Denver, Colorado.
yeah,
End up stuck overnight the night before a race. Stuck. End up reach California the day of the race, like early in the morning. Just get some sleep. As me get a little bit of sleep, I wake up and got the tracking in the evening. Got the tracking in the evening, I end up running 145.7. Run 145.7. Coach from Under Armour that I'm with right now came to me and said, hey, you know, I'm setting up a race next week. And I think you'd be a great addition to the race. I think you could get the world championship standard. I'm so coach. I will be in Virginia next week.
yeah,
Yeah. So comes the relationship. Like me can say the coach will look out for me, you know.
yeah,
So I say I'm
yeah,
reach a Virginia and can know so like me didn't have good shape before because run 145.7. And now me say oh, all me need to do is improve in 1 second faster. And all me
yeah,
need to get the world championship standard at 144.70. So that
yeah,
alone me ask God for that and get the 144.70 marks for bro. And only thing I pray about for the whole week there. Go through the line and say 144.70 I say, oh, this is all God, you know?
bro. You're running
Yeah,
up.
yeah man.
With
And
it,
that was
man.
4 hours before the deadline.
Yeah,
4 hours before the deadline, the
Yeah.
last day,
Yeah, man.
and the exact time I needed, it was the exact time I got. So
Yeah,
you can't tell me that God not real.
yeah, man. God definitely real, man. I tell you,
Yeah,
bro. That race, come I remember how I see the race. I think on Instagram I see the race, but I say, boy, you man go
mm,
out there and go run and run it, bro. I say, boy.
find it the right time,
Mm-hmm. That
At the
legendary
Olympic
skill, man.
standard. Yeah, bro.
Yeah,
So, man.
man. Yeah, make
Now
your way
I'm
on
with
to
Under Armour.
Budapest.
Now I'm with Under Armour.
Yeah.
Let's keep going up,
Yeah,
Believe in Under Armour. Under Armour, believe in Under
yeah, I represent you. Yeah,
Armour.
yeah,
Not alone.
yeah,
That's it,
man. Yeah, man.
Yeah, bro.
So, how Budapest did feel there, bro? After you run and earn it. How Budapest go feel?
Budapest.
Yeah.
Budapest was all about to the 144.7. It took me some time to like getting all of that. But when I reach Budapest, me just feel like I couldn't go 143. And
Mm-hmm.
the race didn't play out as expected. I'm trying to remember all I'm trying to remember that full race from Budapest.
Yeah.
Trying to remember the full race from Budapest. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Budapest was the heat, the hot
Yeah.
different.
That man.
Them food it nice and everything, but the heat was different. And I think I went out in 50 points and just couldn't come home like how I usually come home. Just couldn't come home like I usually come home. But just went back to the drawing board the following season and just start
Yeah.
getting ready for Paris. Because the Olympics was always my dream. That season, the goal was just to stay healthy.
Yeah.
Stay healthy because I know how I always pull my hamstrings and all of that. So I had to stay healthy that season, bro.
Yeah. Although Budapest might go your way still, you still left here with a medal. But
Yeah,
we you see me. Our Venezuela I said the time he keep.
yeah.
Yeah, yeah,
After I ended up go Pan American Games, win
yeah,
Jamaica international scene, global medal in the 800 meters. So that was huge for me. That
yeah.
was huge.
So you stay in shape. Oh you stay in shape because you have that long season. Then you have to go take a
Mm,
break, I suppose, for then peak again, even if you call it peak by that time in the year.
yeah, one of the things I did was I ran in the Diamond League. I ran paced the Diamond League finals.
Yeah,
So in the meantime, I just used that. I was just training with Marco, just simulating, how we're going to execute and all of that. And that ended up being the fastest race in the year. The
yeah,
fastest race they had in a long time. So I
yeah.
was just using that to just stay in shape. But it was rough, though. It was rough.
I
And
imagine.
it definitely affected me for last season. I could feel it. It definitely affected me because I missed all of our training. Because I
Oh,
was just like high performance training. I missed all of the background training and all of that.
yeah.
It definitely affected me, but yeah.
Yeah, man. You mentioned Marco and him training partner. Obviously, he was the world champion in 2023, right? That 2023?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man. So tell me kind of like what you learned from him, being a athlete and a friend.
Bro, like everything, bro. Like we learn from each other, bro. We literally we do most things together. We do most things together, but we learn a lot, bro. Like both on and off the track. We just have conversation about random things, random races, how to how to attack the races, strategies, format, like, bro. We talk about everything, bro.
Yeah,
Talk thing, and we always wanted to be in a world champ or Olympic finals together, but it will eventually happen. I can
oh
guarantee
yeah,
you that.
oh
That's
yeah,
always been our goal. So
yeah.
because we
That,
both help each other to get better. So he helped me get better, I help him get better.
it's all
As
right.
simple as
2024, you mentioned Paris. That was the focus, but it was
mm-hmm.
also your first like professional year. So talk to me about the professional year. 'Cause you're done in college and all. Whole different
Donald
season.
College.
Yeah, yeah,
So since 2022, I've been living that lifestyle. So it was just like being in Mississippi. It's
yeah,
just like the same. Just like I wasn't going to classes. after, because I graduated in December. So since January, last January, so it's been 1 year now since I've been out of school.
Mm.
Just been like train, eat, sleep, train, eat, sleep. It was
Yeah.
definitely different. Traveling, meets, and all of that. Yeah, because I could spend more time away from school, away from Mississippi. You know, more
Yeah.
time trying to focus on track and field goals and stuff like that. So it was definitely different, but um, that would have been the main, would have been the main difference. That would have been the main difference. But everything else was just like I've been living that lifestyle.
Yeah, but I mean,
Definitely.
you never have the what I say no, the college support anymore. So that's it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Or was that like, traveling, going to trials, track meets and all that?
At one point, at one point, like honestly, I was with a previous brand before, but based on how everything was, like with bonus contract and all of them thing there, bro.
Yeah.
It's like everything was at my expense, so it was really rough. Like it really tough, bro. Like paying for
Yeah.
your flight, paying for your hotels, doing this, doing that, bro. Like it can be a lot. It's
Yeah,
very
it can.
costly. And so
Yeah.
I was just like for all that time I was just supporting myself because um I know that the goals I wanted, I know what I'm going after. So I was just supporting myself off my savings, off my income from different years and stuff like that. I was just doing all of that on my own, but I was doing that for me still. So I'm not gonna put that on anybody else. I was
No
doing that for me,
problem.
but
Yeah.
now that I'm with Under Armour, I just know that I don't have to worry about any of that anymore. You
Yeah.
know?
But like the quote it says still, we say under God, under armor. I say go.
Yeah,
Yeah. That's
Under
tough.
Armour, under God's armor.
Mm. That's tough, bro.
Yeah,
Man.
bro. Feel protected and feel safe.
Eh?
So I feel protected and I feel safe.
Yeah, bro. If you get up on a shirt, man, for real, man, I'm growing that bad dog.
For real.
That but it's tough,
Uh,
man. Catch it.
Link up link up with the PR team and see if they can design a shirt for me and drop that funny and then go so boom. I make some people purchase some of that or something like that. I have to work on that to see it.
True, true. Cause right now you see the training camp, right? With them. Yeah.
But yeah,
So I
beautiful
know.
training camp down in Florida. Enjoying the training, going great. Getting ready for the first meet of the indoor season, January 25th in New York, Dr. Sanders meet. Getting ready for 800-meter in that meet. So just getting ready, and getting ready.
Man, we know you're deep, man, because I don't know you're people's champion. Eventually become the world champion. You see me?
All right. I remember good.
Yeah, man. So, all right.
So
I
yeah,
have a thing for access still, really and truly. Because a man, we kind of go through the pressures of high school track and field, bro. You see me? You weren't a name brother athlete, dog. Brother, you see me? My father tell me, say, I must stop calling the guest dog. Sorry.
all
Yeah,
right. Yeah,
yeah, so
man.
you kind of go through the ringer as a junior athlete. What you think needs to change or what you think could make, junior athletes better in the middle distance?
A lot could make them better. I wish if I could at least have 10 Navasky out there, just mentoring the guys, but that's not the case. So I think they need more mentoring because if you look at when you look at pen relays, you see a lot of Jamaicans dominating in the 4x8 because the other day somebody said that to me and was like, yo, why after the Jamaicans run at pen relays in the 800 meters we don't see them after? So now that had me thinking, it's just
Yeah.
the 800 meter is not just running reps or just getting better at the 4 and the 15, not just running reps. You have to literally you have to train your body. You have to train, like you literally have to train your body. Like take into perspective training your heart rate. Sometimes you see like incubits in them a run and them have a little thing and then just a boom and prick them finger. Yes,
Yeah.
little blood come out. It test everything. Comes down to a lot, bro. It come down to a lot of things, bro. Um, work on the mileage. They need to probably work on the mileage, have a steady base mileage, just kind of increasing from the fall training from the fall training start, kind of increase week by week, till your body reach a level your body can manage. So you have to think about the speed, you have to think about the endurance, you have to think about the speed endurance. So you're
Mm.
literally building three things at the same time, and at the same time you have to You have to build the mental toughness. You have to have the
Yeah,
mental capacity to hold all of that.
yeah,
So one way how I feel like they can improve is to work on that train, that line, the train of everything, the speed, endurance, and the endurance. The coaches need to be more involved, I would say,
yeah.
because coaches need to be more involved. The coaches can learn more. I feel like the coaches can learn more.
So because
It's hard to say what they need, but I feel like the coaches can get out there and learn more and just try to uplift and build the AOG meet and all. You have a lot of coaches out there. Have to give credit to that are doing this. John Live at St. Jago doing a great job because I know that over the years we've been building all of these aspects. There's this coach at Jamaica College. I can't quite remember his name. The 800 coach
yeah,
doing a great job. Jamaica College,
yeah,
Kingston College guys running good. States guys running good. I
yeah,
always love a countryman, man from Bagwalk and man from Edunal and the man them run good. I always have some good youth, but I feel like the youth them need more guidance. I try help who me can help in any way if I say how me can work with them. But I think I need to take some of the blame as well. I'm gonna try to do a better job to see how much of them I can mentor,
yeah. But
because
you don't feel
I
like
want
say,
to see the
you
age
don't feel
live
like
on.
you take on too much right now if you try be a mentor and I try, start a career.
That's true, but if me not do it, who I gonna do it?
Good point.
Because
Good point.
at the Olympic stage, just Navasky and this up there doing it. Of course, you can do it too. That
Yeah.
may I try to bring to them like, yo, if I can do it, you can do it too. You come
True.
from the same background, the same countryman, the same countryside. You get me? I
True.
say,
Yeah, true that.
and most of it is discipline. 800 meters is a lot about discipline. So certain habits that you have to cut out that habit. You have to have the urge to do it. You have to want to do it. You have to have the willingness to do it. And you can train nobody to do it. You can train nobody to be disciplined. But the 800 meters is all about discipline. It's gonna be
Mhm.
rough, especially running
Yeah.
Jamaica. It's gonna be rough. Jamaica, there's a lot of distractions there, but you still can do it.
Yeah.
You have to block out all of them distractions, and it's all about discipline. The first two things with 800 meters is discipline and consistency. No matter when you're injured, things not going your way, you have to be consistent. All those years when I've been pulling my hamstrings, I was being consistent. I was being disciplined. Cut out the drinking if you're a drinker. Nobody even think about smoking. That can't work. For the youths them, it's the discipline and the drive, the motivation. And if you don't believe in yourself first, you cannot expect somebody else to believe in you. You get what I say? So
Yeah.
discipline has a lot to do with the 800 meters. It's all discipline. And if you ask anybody who's doing a great job or who's excellent and who's good in the 800 meters, you don't have to just take it from me or my words, but 800 meters is a lot of discipline because it's one lap. So if you're gonna run the first lap if you want to be good in the 800 meters, you have to come around in 52, no slower than 52. You need to run the first lap at 52. From 48 to 52 is going to be the first lap. It's going to be a lot of pain. And you're going to have
Mhm.
one more lap to come back around in. So it's a lot of speed, it's a lot of endurance, but it's strictly speed endurance. And to get to that level is a lot of discipline, a lot of consistency. I think they need to do a better job with no all everything is coming back to me. Think they need to do a better job with like longer runs. Like not every day you have to go there and kill the 400s, kill the sprints and all of that. Sometimes you just need a nice, easy, steady run. Think about steady runs. Think about progression runs. Those are some of the things I do. Some days I'll just literally get up and run 8 miles at 6:30 pace. Or 8 miles at 6 flat pace. Not every week. I'm gonna do 10, 12 miles at 5:50 or anything like that. I don't do
Yeah.
that all the time. So you have to, every single run is important. If I miss up, yo, bro, I always tell people this, no matter if it's rain, sun, snow, no matter what I go on, me I go find a way to get my run done. No matter where in the world I'm at, I'm gonna find a way to get it done. You hear me I say? So
Yeah,
it's a lot about consistency and discipline. And as me say, if you discipline the mind, you can work with it. When you hear the first alarm, you just get up. Just get
yeah,
up.
yeah,
Get up and go about. So yeah. Discipline has a lot to do with, and I'm gonna try to see if I can help as much as I can help. But I don't want to see the life of the 800 meter go down in Jamaica.
yeah,
Since
bro.
2022, like 5 people on 145. That's what I want to see.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
bro. Real talk, bro, because we're so sprint dominant. I know at time feel like we get into the 800 because the 800 is a sprint and we keep on missing
Mm-hmm.
mark. And it's a good point I make with the pen relay still now, bro, because I never pre that still. I never pre that, dog. Brother, sorry. Never pre that,
Yeah, bro.
bro. Yeah, good point that still. Yeah,
Yeah, I always look breaking pen relay record and all of that. So yo, that to show you that the guys can do it. They're beating all the American guys
yeah,
that are
bro.
come out and be the best on the top. So yo, you can do it too, bro. That's all I'm saying. If they can do it, you can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. You can even do it better.
So,
You can even do
so,
it better.
man. But you have a
Yeah,
friend
just
of the legend too, the guy, the first one to do it. You see me? So we can't take that away from you still. But definitely, bro, next man can do it. Brother, Jesus.
bro. Is watching the Olympic Games, yo. You wanna see some medals in other events too. We know we're gonna dominate the sprints, of course.
True.
Yeah. But yeah, I want to see some medals in other areas, and the change have to start now. We have to start from somewhere. We have to start from here.
For real,
So why
man.
not start right now?
True, man.
You know, start building that legacy.
Spoken like a true champion.
For real, bro.
True champion, bro.
Respect.
Yeah, man. But man, I'm respecting on that. Brother, thanks for taking the time out. Need to get the dog out of my system for real now. But thanks for taking the time out and speaking to us, reasoning with us and giving your advice for the future. Really appreciate it, bro. I'm not lie. I kind of learn a lot. Learn a lot. I'm not growing still. The same 4x4 thing, bro, 4x8 thing, bro. That is a question I ask a coach I know in Jamaica because I really and truly want to ask that question and I understand why because how we can see the man them around so good in a cool opinion relays and then we
Mm.
not see nobody at trials, bro. Not see nobody, bro. Real talk, yeah, talk, bro. Real talk.
Yeah, so that's definitely something we need to work on. And it's constructive criticism. It's not
Yeah,
just saying. Is something that I noticed that we need to work on because we have the pool of talent. We just need to pull it up. We have the pool. We need to pull it up.
cool
Keep
stuff,
pulling up.
man.
The,
Yeah,
you
man.
know. Yeah,
Yeah,
we need to keep the talent up, man, because we have the talent. That's Jamaica, bro. We look
yeah.
about with talent. We have the
Hello,
talent, and
bro.
yeah, for all of the youths that watch this, just believe in yourself. Believe you can do it.
Yeah,
And you're hearing this from somebody who's coming from nothing, and building up and brought himself to the Olympic Games. We've done it, and I'm telling you, if I can do it, I know you can do it, and you can even do it better. Real
man.
talk.
The great Navasky and this one. People's
Yeah, bro.
champion, soon to be the world champion, maybe Olympic champion.
Yes, sir. Now we're speaking.
Yeah, man. But
Yeah,
again,
bro. Respect.
man, is not respect, bro. Thanks for taking the time out. Is it me? Enjoy
Yeah,
training,
bro.
bro. Is it me? And
I
we see you
respect
on the
that.
Saturday.
Yeah, man. Shout out to Under Armour.
Yeah, man.
Respect.
Shout out to
Bro.
him down.
Yeah, man.